Hi, I'm attorney Christopher Nudo, and I've been practicing law with wills and estates for over 30 years now. And I have two children who I've raised from little babies, toddlers, adolescents, all the way to grown adults. And what I know is when they turn 18 and they head off to college, or after college, when they do their graduate programs or head out to their first job or get their first home or apartment, that these are extremely exciting times. However, navigating life can sometimes be complex, and things can happen where mom and dad are still a crucial part of your child's life. I'm talking about things like financial tragedies or a healthcare concern that comes about due to an accident or an injury. In these instances, we want mom and dad to be able to help their child as much as possible. Because they're adults, you need authority in which to speak on their behalf. That is where a healthcare power of attorney or a financial power of attorney can be extremely helpful. Your adult child can contact our office and meet with one of our intake specialists who will design a power of attorney for healthcare or a power of attorney for finances for your adult child, giving you, mom and dad, the authority to help them in the event of some crucial emergency. We really encourage all parents to have these on file, all young adult children to have these on file, especially when they're leaving for college. When you're going to college, it's a new experience. There's lots of things that they need to navigate, and navigating tragedies in the healthcare or financial realm are things that are better suited for mom and dad. So call our office today, or go to our website and fill in a form on our Contact Us page, and one of our intake specialists will call you and set up a quick appointment where we can get those healthcare powers of attorney and financial powers of attorney created for your young adult children. We look forward to working with you. Have a great day.